Good afternoon. My name is Luis Alejandra Marin Perilla. Welcome to my presentation. Uh, to continue task for less start. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fine amount? Okay. On the last trip I made, I spent a lot of money since I traveled outside the country. I traveled to Rio de Janeiro and through the exchange of my currency to the Brazilian currency for a meet. It's a very expensive site, so everything it is expensive, and I spend more than what I had budgeted for the trip. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visited? Um, um, I did tourist on my last trip. Traveling to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is an incredible city. It has some very beautiful place that you can visit. The most emblematic for me were Chris Redeemer, the Sugar Loaf, the Escada de Celarón. The clothes are different. The most interesting place I visited for was the Rio Aquarium. I have never been to one. It meet the clownfish Nemo and Dory. Each has a small shark. Now that visit to that aquarium was spectacular. What are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? Mm, the most visited tourist place here in my city are the island of the monkeys, which is about 40 minutes from Leticia and Puerto Nariño. The municipality is 2 hours away from Leticia, the Amazon River, and Santa Rosa, Peru. This island is in front of Leticia. It is crossed is small Tabatinga, Brazil. It is across the border. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity at it did during my trip was going on a yacht in the sea, reading a cable card, taught directly to Pound Yasuka, and all zip line on the beach. What is better, visiting popular tourist destination or laser canon tourist destination? Why? My opinion, both are valid. I think it's very interesting and innovating to have the privilege of visiting laser canal place and to achieve exclusivity, so to speak, of canon submitting that is not very common among tourists in terms of popular destinations. I love is as low canon what others hate per and love it, and that they have been able to portray in a photo and to describe others to canon and admire the Bautist perhaps of what nature of architecture of the city or you are visited have. Thank you.